in this short video, I am going to show you how you can derive the isothermal compressibility and the volume expansivity terms very quickly. So to start with, first I will take the specific volume. Specific volume, this quantity has the unit meter cubes per kg, that is, it is the reciprocal of density. It is known as specific volume. So this specific volume, I will take it as a function of temperature and pressure. This is what I will assume. Now what I will do is, I will take a total derivative. So dV is equal to del V del T at constant pressure times the dt plus del V del P at constant temperature times dP. So this is what I have after applying the first step. Now what I will do is, I will divide this entire term by the specific volume, that is del V by V is equal to 1 by V del V del T at constant pressure times dt plus 1 by V del P at constant temperature times dP. So this is what I have. Now the next step is, I will write this again, del V del P del V by V is equal to 1 by V del T at constant pressure times dt. Now I will take a negative sign over here. You will understand soon why I have taken the negative sign, times 1 by V. So I have taken a negative sign outside, so a negative sign will be inside too. So this will become del V del P at constant temperature, and outside the bracket I will write this dP. So this term which is inside the bracket, this is known as isothermal compressibility. This is known as isothermal compressibility. I will denote it with the Greek letter kappa. And this term, which is 1 by V del T at constant pressure, this is known as, I will also put a bracket in front of this. So this is known as volume expansivity. This term is known as the volume expansivity. I will denote this with an alpha. So this entire expression, I can rewrite this expression as dV by V is equal to alpha dt minus kappa times dP. This is the final expression that I have. Now what I can do is, I will write this alpha and kappa. Alpha is the volume expansivity, which is denoted by 1 by V del V del T, 1 by V del T at constant pressure. This is what alpha is. It is the volume expansivity. Volume expansivity. Volume expansivity. And for kappa what I will write is, it is equal to minus 1 by V del P at constant T, and it is known as isothermal compressibility. Isothermal compressibility. So these were the two expressions which I wanted to derive. Another fun thing which you might be interested in knowing is that when we take the reciprocal of this kappa 1 by K, what we get is the bulk modulus. So this might be important and might be useful in certain operations. So 1 by kappa is known as the bulk modulus, that is the reciprocal of the isothermal compressibility. So this was all about isothermal compressibility and volume expansivity. Thank you.